Meet your new manufacturing sidekick, the Site Machine agent for Microsoft 365 Copilot. Site Machine brings industrial AI to the factory floor in weeks. It seamlessly links Azure Cloud, IoT Operations, Microsoft Fabric, RTI, and Copilots, continuously processing and streaming thousands of data points from the plant floor. And now, the Site Machine agent brings AI from streaming real-time factory data to Microsoft 365. Site Machine generates reliable, useful insights for all plant stakeholders. Whether you're a plant manager reviewing metrics and KPIs, a line supervisor preparing for a daily direction-setting meeting, a technician logging a repair, or an engineer analyzing the root cause of downtime. For example, a technician performing maintenance and logging a repair can quickly retrieve machine telemetry and identify anomalies on a machine right from Excel. The technician indicates what data analysis is needed, and the Site Machine agent performs the analysis and returns the relevant data, which the technician can easily add to the maintenance report. With the Site Machine agent, insights generated within Microsoft Fabric are delivered directly through the tools employees use every day, like Teams, Excel, and PowerPoint. Site Machine's agentic intelligence leverages these familiar interfaces to surface proactive, data-driven recommendations, helping operators and managers take immediate, informed action. It's easy, accurate, and built for the factory floor.